What is up? Here we have a 2015 Chevrolet G3500. Has the 4.8 smaller V8 engine in it. Runs and drives great. Just installed a transmission in it. It is a 2015 with 212,000 miles. It's got a lot of miles on it, but it's exceptionally clean. As you know, these things, there's a huge difference in one that was taken care of and one that was not taken care of. You see these things all the time on Marketplace, completely ragged out. This one is not. It's not the case with this one. It's got a Redding all aluminum service body enclosed. I mean, you can see it's obviously it's a video, so it's hard to tell exactly, but this thing is in awesome condition. Shows like a 2015. Does not show like it has over 200,000 miles. It definitely shows like a 2015. It is a very nice enclosed service body. I mean, no paint flaking off. No big dings or dents. This thing's in great shape. Tires are in pretty good shape. Poke underneath here for you. Undercarriage is nice. Tiny bit of surface rust, but nothing really to be concerned about. Definitely in this price range, you'd be hard-pressed to find a similar year truck that's in this kind of shape. I'll get in and start it and run it down the road real quick. If you do have any other questions or want to see anything else on it, just give me a holler. My cell is 804-716-8487. You can call or text anytime. AC adapter there. Like I said, I mean, it's just super, super clean. Running down the range. Just inspected. Like I said, we just installed a transmission in it. She is good to go for many, many more miles. So call or text 804-716-8487. Thanks.